What's up, guys? What you see here are the 6 2021 collector edition mail-in exclusives from Hot Wheels. So each year these stores will typically have mail-in rebates for a different vehicle. Rules are going to vary year to year, store to store, but if you keep an eye out you can participate in those every year. These models again are from the 2021 calendar year. Another way you could have gotten these was through the Mainline factory box set, which is how we acquired these. You can see that hollow checkerboard sticker there that says factory sealed 2021 set. That's how you know it came from one of these boxes here. May have seen my crazy roommate got the 2021 factory box set here at Slacktracks. He did get it for the retail price of $600 directly from Mattel Creations. So you need an RLC Club membership for this. We did not have luck with the 2022 factory set that was just released last week. Hopefully some of you guys did. So real quick, this 2021 box set came with 461 Hot Wheels, 50 new models, 15 treasure hunts, 15 super treasure hunts, the 8 ID chase cars, all 46 recolors, and these 6 special editions that you see here now. It's basically everything you could have gotten from that year, minus the premiums, RLCs, character cars, mystery cars, stuff like that. But yes, it is still a lot of cars, and some will stay sealed for the collection, but something tells me a lot of these will end up getting open for you guys here on the channel. And these 6 mail-ins are the first thing out of that set, so stay tuned and I'll do some more unboxing from that soon. So let me know which one of these collector editions you want to see taken out of that plastic cage first in the comments below, and we'll take some cool pictures of that and show it off for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to Slacktracks to help us grow this channel. Thanks for watching.